Very good morning, class students. Our new topic is mensuration. So from that today I am going to explain 10.3 exercise problems. Listen well. A cylindrical container is filled with ice cream. Here one cylindrical container there. It is filled with ice cream. Here one cylindrical container filled with ice cream, whose diameter is equal to 12 centimeters. So what is the diameter of that cylindrical portion? 12 centimeters. And height h is equal to 15 centimeters. Here one cylindrical container, it is filled with ice cream. The diameter of the cylinder is 12 centimeters and height is 15 centimeters. The whole ice cream distributed to 10 children. So this ice cream distributed to 10 children in equal cones. So here what is it? That ice cream is distributed to 10 children in equal cone, filled making hemispherical. So here by taking the ice cream, here upon the cone what came here? Hemisphere came. If the height of the conical portion h is equal to is twice the diameter of its base. So height of the conical portion is twice to diameter of its base. Now you have to find the diameter of the ice cream cone. Here what is the question? What is the concept of this question? Here one cylindrical container, it is filled with ice cream. That ice cream is distributed to 10 children by making hemisphere and cone. The height of the cone is twice to diameter of cone. You have to find what is the diameter of cone. So okay, here let diameter of cone I am taking as 2x. Let diameter of cone I am taking as 2x. Next, then what about height? Height of the cone is twice to diameter. So height is equal 2 into 2x is equal to 4x. Here I don't know the diameter of cone. What I am taking? The diameter I am taking as 2x. Then height of the cone is twice to diameter. It means 2 into diameter. What is the height here? 4x. So diameter is 2x and height is 4x. Now you have to find the value of x. To find the diameter of cone, first you have to find the value of x. So students, we have three figures in that problem. First figure, cylinder. What is the diameter? 12 centimeters and height is 50 centimeters. If you know the diameter, you have to find the radius. R is equal to d by 2 is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6 centimeters. What is the radius of the cylinder? 6 centimeters. Here also, R is equal to d by 2 is equal to 2x by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. X. Similarly, the radius of hemisphere is also x. Why? Because diameter is a common base to cone and also hemisphere. As per given, the ice cream is distributed to 10 children. What we can write here? Volume of cylinder is equal to 10 into volume of the ice cream, but the ice cream is a combination of two shapes, volume of the cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h is equal to 10 bracket volume of the cone pi r square h by 3 plus volume of the hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here pi r square h is equal 10 into. So from these two, here pi r square there, here also pi r square there, by 3 and by 3. So from these two I am taking pi r square by 3 as a common into pi r square by 3 bracket. Here what is the remaining? H plus here what is the remaining? 2r. So from both sides pi and pi gets cancelled. This r is nothing but radius of the cylinder. This r is nothing but radius of the cone and also hemisphere. What is the radius of the cylinder? 6. 6 into 6 into what is the height here? 15 is equal to 10 into r square means x square. Why? Because radius of the cone is x by 3 bracket. H means what is the height here? Height of the cone 4x. 4x plus 2x. Now 6 into 15 is equal to 10 into x square by 3 into 6x. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So finally 6 into 15 by transport to this side 10 into 2 is equal to x cube. Is equal to x cube. Now in calculations, see here. 5 twos are 5 threes are. 2 ones are 2 threes are. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Here 3 cube is equal to x cube. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. What is the answer? X is equal to 3. But I need diameter of cone. I took as 2x. 2x means 2 into 3 is equal to 6 centimeters. So diameter of required cone is 6 centimeters. Here what is the concept of this question? Here concept of this question is one cylindrical container is full filled with ice cream. That ice cream is distributed to 10 children by forming a cone on hemisphere. Here the diameter of the cone, I don't know here. Height of the cone is twice to diameter of cone. So here you have to find the value of the diameter. So finally value of the diameter of cone is nothing but 6 centimeters. A solid consisting of right circular cone standing on a hemisphere. Here one solid there. It consists hemisphere and also cone. Is places upright in a right circular cylinder. Here one cylinder there. That solid is placed in this cylinder. That solid placed in the cylinder. Now this cylindrical, it is full of water. And the height of the cylinder is h is equal to 6 centimeters. Height of the cylinder h is equal to 6 centimeters. And the radius of cylinder r is equal to 3 centimeters. R is equal to 3 centimeters. Then after here, radius of the common base r is equal to 2 centimeters. And the height of the cone is h is equal to 4 centimeters. So here two figures are there. What is that? One is in the shape of cylinder. It is already full filled with water. With radius 3 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. Then after one solid. Cone is surmounted on a hemisphere. The height of the cone is 4 centimeters and radius is equal to 2 centimeters. Now this solid, he is taking into that cylinder. So the height of the solid is also 6 centimeters. It is fixed in the cylinder. Now, by taking this, some water flows out from the cylinder. Now you have to find the volume of the water remaining in that cylinder. Okay, here one solid, one cone is surmounted on a hemisphere. The height of the cone is 4 centimeters radius of the common base is 2 centimeters. So similarly, height of the hemisphere also 2 centimeters. 4 plus 2 is equal 6 centimeters. Height of the solid is 6 centimeters and also height of the cylinder is 6 centimeters. So by taking the solid into cylinder, what happens? Some water flows out. Now you have to find the volume of the water remaining in the cylinder. To find the, you have to find the volume of the cylinder and also volume of the core and also volume of the hemisphere. Here, volume of the water left in the cylinder is equal volume of cylinder minus the volume of core into volume of hemisphere. Why? Because that solid is a combination of two figures. First, I am taking cylinder. What is the radius of the cylindrical portion? 3 centimeters. And height is equal to 6 centimeters. Then B1. B1 means volume of cylinder. What is the formula? Pi r square h. Pi means 22 by 7. Into r square means 3 into 3. Into what is the height here? 6. Now 66 into 18 by 7. 66 into 18 by 7. It is nothing but 1188 by 7 centimeter cube. So the volume of the cylinder is 1188 by 7 centimeter cube. Next I am taking cone. Radius is equal to 2 centimeters and height of the cone is equal to 4 centimeters. V2 means volume of the cone. What is the formula? Pi r square h by 3. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square means 2 into 4 by 3. It is 44 into 8 by 21. 44 into 8 by 21. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 3 35 by 21. So volume of the cone is 352 by 21 centimeter cube. Next I need volume of the hemisphere. V3 is equal volume of the hemisphere. What is the formula? 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube means 2 into 8 is equal 44 into 8 by 21. It is nothing but 352 by 21 centimeter cube. So V1, volume of the cylinder is equal to 1188 by 7. V2 is equal volume of the cone 352 by 21 centimeter cube. V3, volume of the hemisphere is equal to 352 by 21 centimeter cube. Volume of water left in the cylinder is equal. V1 means volume of the cylinder minus R. V2 means volume of the cone plus V3 means volume of the hemisphere. So what is the volume of the cylinder? 1188 by 7 minus it is 352 by 21 plus 352 by 21. So 1188 by 7 minus these both are like fractions. So 352 plus 352 is equal 1188 by 7 minus 704 by 21. 704 by 21. Why? Because the two are like fractions. So subtract. Here I am taking LCM. 11. What is LCM here? 21. So it is 1188 into 3 minus 704. Now multiply 1188 by 3. What you will get here? 3564. 3564 minus 704 by 21. Now subtract 704 from 3564. You will get 2860 by 21. Now divide 2860 by 21. You will get the answer 136.19 centimeter cube. So volume of the water remaining in the cylinder is 136.19 19 centimeter cube. A vessel in the form of an inverted cone, its height 8 centimeters and the radius of top is 5 centimeters. If it is filled with water up to the rim, when lead shards are which are in hemisphere of radius 0.5 centimeters are dropped into the vessel. Now you have to find how many lead shards are dropped into the vessel.